Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to do a contest for you guys. Now, the contest is, I want you to name each and every one of the Star Wars characters in this picture. If you do that, and your name is selected, or you've named all the correct characters, I'm not going to worry about the spaceships or the starships or anything like that. I just want you to name the characters. If you can name each and every one of these characters in this picture here, I am going to send you a brand new 3080 Ti graphics card. Remember, you have to name each and every one of these characters. I don't care how you go about doing it, but you have to name each and every one of them and then send them to me using my email address. Okay, so if you want a free graphics card, please name each and every one of these characters. Actually, that's not true. I'm not doing a contest, guys. Sorry. No, I can't do that. Not doing it. I can't do that because I don't know who all these characters are. Not all of them anyway. I mean there's Qui-Gon Jinn, there's Count Dooku, there's Padme Amidala, there's a Sith Lord, Snook, and Princess Leia. Oh, well, I can go on forever and ever. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that, guys. I'm just kidding. Okay, not gonna do that. Sorry about that. But anyway, I want to do this video about USB ports on your computer, whether it's a desktop or a laptop. Now, some of us have probably, if you've been around computers long enough, you know how to treat them with respect. You know how to make sure that they're kept up to date, whether it's the antivirus and the malware, or even just the system updates, Windows 10, Windows 11. However, you can try to be as careful as you want with a computer and things can still happen. You can accidentally drop your laptop. You can accidentally spill some liquids on it. I mean, things happen. We're only human, right? We make mistakes. However, I came across something from a laptop that I actually own. And this is one that was actually given to me by someone, and I allowed a young fellow to borrow it for his school projects because he didn't have one. So it wasn't my main laptop. It was one that was given me, as I mentioned before, and I decided to go ahead and let him borrow it. Okay, I'm one for helping promote children's education, so I allowed him to borrow it. However, when it came back to me, this is what I encountered. As you can see, the USB ports have been damaged. I don't know what happened with this one. It looked like the part was just pulled out of its socket. I don't know. And then this one is that you probably can't really tell, but it's actually pushed into the port area, and you can't connect anything to it. So I don't know how this happened. I don't know what he did. I don't know if it was him or if it was another one of his siblings. I don't know. I'd never seen this before. But this is something that cannot be fixed unless you actually buy a completely new motherboard for this particular case. And this is an older computer, so it really wasn't bothering me too much about getting it fixed. I think there was an alternative I used, but I don't remember what it was. But these things can happen, especially in the hands of children, because children are in a rush. They're trying to get things done as fast, as quickly as possible. I came across something that may help with keeping this from happening or preventing it from happening. And I don't know if you know about this particular product, because I just happened to just, out of the clear blue emptiness of my head, I just searched for it and boom, it came up. And I'm going to show you what it is. And these are USB protectors or covers, or they call it anti-dust covers. Now, I didn't even know these existed until I did a search for it. But apparently, these are devices that will plug into the USB port on your computer or laptop, and they can actually keep out dust, or they can even protect your USB ports from getting damaged when they're not in use. Now, I can't say they can protect your USB port when you're trying to connect things to it, but if you just use probably just one of your USB ports on your computer and the rest you don't use, then this will help cover the unused ports from dust or damage or anything else getting in there that shouldn't be in there. They have a lot of these on Amazon's website. This is these are 20 made by a company called Onwon. And there's another set here by Bushibu. And these are 20 pieces that you just plug into the USB port, whether it's the USB cable in or the inside of the computer itself. You can also use these for media card readers, USB flash drives, data cables. As you can see, they have the pretty much the perfect fit of any USB port. They come in different colors, I believe. There's this one, I believe, has white and black, I believe, but yes, white and black. But they do come in different colors like blues, purples, reds, whatever else is out there that you can find. Here's another one, Kentek lot of 10 pieces. Now, what I've also noticed about the difference in some of these is that this particular one has a pull in or a push end, whereas these others do not. You have to, if you got some fingernails or you have something really small, like a small tool that can pull these out of where they are, because once you push these into that USB end, it's really difficult to pull them out with your fingers. So unless you have really, really long fingernails to pull these out, it's going to be a little difficult. So if you put these in there, just know that it may be a little difficult to pull them out unless you have this particular model here. And I actually purchased this particular product. The only downside is that because these stick out, it may catch on to things or it may kind of get in your way. So just know that there's no perfect fix for something like this. People have their own different opinions and ideas about how to go about making these products and designs. So just whatever works for you. If this works for you, then get it. If this works for you, get it. Or if this works for you, then get this as well. These are working fine for me so far. They also make them in SATA, eSATA connection. I think they also make them for network port, Ethernet port, and I think they make them for other ports as well, which is something you just have to look into and search for. But I just wanted to share this with you guys to let you know that there are these products out there that you may not even think about because a lot of people don't talk about them. So I hope this helps you guys out and showing you something that is probably unique. And if this is a product or if this is something, a problem that has happened to you, whether it's on your computer or someone else's computer, then there is a solution for that as well. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.